How to fold down your rear seat. In the rear seat, make sure the headrest at the lowest position, and you can make this safety belt. There's a hook, and you can put your seat belts in here. So we have a slot just over here. You can see there's a slot. Just put it in so it's not in the way of the seat. So maybe the other way around, like this, put it in. Yeah, that way is better. So make it like this, and then you can notice there's a loop over here. You just pull the loop and then push the seat forward. And for this one, if you don't have the seat belt buckle in the slot, just make it sideways and pull the loop and push forward. So this is how you're going to fold down. To put it back, you just go into the car over here and just lift it away until it's locked. You can hear it's locked to the position. That's the lock over there. So this is how to put it back.